someone asked me to do, so that's what I'm going to do today. Called Bacalhau rice, but I'm gonna use one ingredient to make that different. So that's the thing I like to do. So I'm gonna give these two for later on, and this one as well. And I'm gonna start doing my bacalhau rice, and I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys follow me. I'm gonna have some olive oil here. I'm gonna put here, put my lips on. I don't know if you guys might have my drink on, so I'm doing some gin and tonic, and then some other stuff into it. So I have my bacalhau here boiling. My codfish basically is boiling, so I'm gonna cook it for about 2 minutes, and then just remove it and do the rest of it. It should be ready because it's just start boiling now, so yeah, doesn't need to cook longer. And then I'll do the rest and wait for my oil to get hot. It's a very simple dish, so I'm gonna just carry on doing this one. That's the bacalhau. I'll take them off, put fire off, remove it. I'm gonna bring it to the sink. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a good Sunday. The weather's not that great, so yeah. That's my oil getting hot. This one comes on. A little bit of the thingy. I have a bay leaf, garlic, and onion. I'm gonna add them to it. To here, sorry. Then I'm gonna start caramelize them slowly. Allow them to start caramelize. And then, yeah, I want to do something else. I need to whisk these eggs because we need them for the mix. So yeah, I'm gonna just break the eggs into this one. I'm using 6 eggs. So yeah, I'm using 6 eggs. Some people use more. So yeah, basically it's up to you. You are the chef, so you make your own judgment and your own decision how many eggs you're gonna use for your recipe. And then after add the eggs, clean a little bit, and some eggs here. And then I'm gonna just mix my onion, let them slowly caramelize. I'm gonna cook it for another second so they don't get burned. Then I'm gonna caramelize. Very easy. In the meantime, I'm gonna add some pepper here to the eggs, not too much, and I'm gonna add some salt, just a touch of salt, no really. You can't even put the salt because the fish is very salty. So yeah, I'm gonna whisk this one very well. Whisk it. Just a little more. Then that's my onion. Caramelize nicely. I give the power a little bit more. Oh yeah, that's my egg ready. But then we messy here. Yeah guys, that's a very simple dish. Anyone can do it. It's not too complicated, so yeah. Any question, just ask. Just send me a test. If you need any information, any news and updates, anything you don't understand about the recipe, it's very easy, very simple to do. So yeah. Start getting there. Now put them number 2, number 8. I'm gonna add my fish, basically. Yeah, a little bit, not too big, crunchy. Yeah. So I'm gonna add my fish. Add my fish. Bear in mind the fish is cooked already. So I'm gonna just mix the fish, the mix. And then cook a little bit. And then I'm gonna add the potato. I had boiled them like that. Called batata palha, so yeah. But it's about 200 grams of potatoes, so yeah. Very easy, very simple dish. Add the potato, I'm gonna add a handful of chopped parsley on it. Oh, not my fault. Yeah, just mix it nicely till the potato gets soft. And then we're gonna add our eggs. Click on it, yeah. Just need to clean. Yeah. Little bit of this again soggy. And then I'm gonna add my eggs. They wanna be whiskey. Then I want to add my egg now, my 6 eggs, go to the mix, and then I'm going to just do this with them till them cook, the eggs cook. Then meantime I'm gonna add this one. That's a chili. I like my food chili, so I'm gonna add some chili. It's not in the recipe, in the original recipe. And then add that to that. That's something so yeah. So yeah, it's halfway there. Basically, just need to keep mixing. Don't let them stack in the bottle, and that's it. Yeah, so it's still there. It's still need to cook the eggs. So you can just mix it and cook the eggs. I'm gonna have some touch of moss paper, but I don't think I did put enough in the eggs. That's enough to give some nice kick as well. So yeah, pretty much it. Helio, use was making mess everywhere in this kitchen. Yeah, basically that's it. I'm gonna use some more parsley to finish it on top, and then I'm going to use my last ingredient, the olives. I'm gonna add some black olives into it. That's it.
YouTube Music Premium on your app or online for ad-free music. Music like this, but absolutely no. Sorry for that whole understanding of piece. They're not free, but sounds like music like
I need off the fire off. This one is off as well. I'm gonna try it a little bit. See how it tests. Yep. Nice cheese must be first time to do in this dish. It's not easy, but yeah, they're just they like the result. So I hope you guys like that too as well. And see you guys out. Make sure subscribe, click the button below. More video to come, more experience, more